Okay guys, so for today's video is I'm gonna replace the rear two LEDs on my wife's vehicle because, well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, see this light right there? Well, that is not from the camera. It is legitimately blinking, flashing, you know, all of this nonsense. So the reason, you know, going back to the normal ones, I'm talking about the regular incandescent ones, these guys right here, those are supposed to, you know, those are coated blue, supposedly, you know, these guys should get kind of, I guess, like a white light, but you know, not really. So it is what it is, as long as it's not giving, you know, trouble to my wife's vehicle. I really don't care. You know, these two in the back, you know, nobody's really noticing those two lights. The only time when they're noticing those two lights is like right now. You know, they're blinking, you know, that's, you know, cause distractions on the road. So we're gonna do that right now. So the plan is, we need to remove this cover on the back, and you know, when you remove it out, then we're gonna be able to access these two lights from the inside. To be able to do that, you guys need to get one of these guys. This is a Husky brand. It's from Home Depot. I believe it's like 10 bucks, cheap, you know, nothing expensive. So that should be it, and it should be easy. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm gonna start from right here in the back. Just take your time, no hurry. Yep, so definitely need to remove those. Okay guys, so next thing is to remove these 4 screws right here, and for the purpose we need to get a T20 star. So woo, careful not to lose those. Let me show you. This is screw I'm talking about, T20 star. So okay, and now this should come out slowly. Okay, right here you have this little wire, don't forget, it's for this light right here. So this guy, to be able to remove the light, you just need to grab it, turn it, and pull it out. This is the LEDs that I've been using. Well, so for the trunk and for the, you know, I'm gonna use just the regular light bulbs, especially the trunk. When you opened it, nobody's gonna, you know, notice the difference. Okay guys, so this is 1, 2, 3. So now just push it in. Let's just test it just in case. Working. So again, just push it in and twist it clockwise, and it's good. To be able to remove this, you need to push this way and down. Again, careful with this button. Just push this little tab. Okay, you guys can't really see, but I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So there is this tab right here on the top. Push it and then pull it out. Then the rest of it should just come out straight like that. Okay, again right here in the back should be just to be able to twist it, take it out. There you go. You guys can see. There you go. So it's kind of burned. This is only for like 2 years. So 3 years, something like that. So again, push it. There you go. Now next one. This one looks kind of the same. You guys can see it's kind of burned. So, yep, garbage. Okay, again, just push it in. And boom. Should be it, guys. Yeah, I think that should be it. So let's check it out. Well, you guys see it? Boom. Like I said, it's supposed to be a blue light. Well, yeah. It is what it is. You know, I can keep saying, you know, this is gonna be my wife's vehicle. This is not gonna be. This is my wife's vehicle. So, as long as it doesn't give her, you know, any trouble, she's happy and I'm happy. So, success. Especially in the places like that, you know, where you guys need to do all of this. I'm saying, just don't buy it. I don't know. If you guys end up, you know, spending, you know, I don't know, maybe $100 for LEDs, maybe, but. Yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments. Does it worth the hassle? Every 2-3 years? I don't know. If it was a, you know, probably my car, yeah, but you know. So and this is all good. Now we can start from the bottom up. There we go, guys. Now we're gonna put the screws back. Don't over tight them. Here we go. We are all set. This one is good. This two are good. That's it. We are all set, guys. Well, that's about it, guys. We succeeded. Everything is working. Everything is fixed. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash the like button. And the most important thing, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So, I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.